Hello everyone. This question appears in class 6th NCERT chapter of playing with numbers. This is 11th question of its exercise 3.7. So the question says that find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of the other. So part A, 5 and 20. LCM हो जाएगा हमारे पास 2, 5 and 10, 2, 5 and 5, then 5, 1, 1. So LCM हो जाएगा हमारे पास LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. So ये हो जाएगा 5 2s are 10, 2s are 20. B, 6 and 18. So 2 हो जाएगा 3, 9, 3, 1, 3, then 3 से 1, 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. So LCM हो जाएगा 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. पार्ट सी हो जाएगा हमारे पास 12, 48. 6, 3, 3, then 3. So LCM हो जाएगा हमारे पास 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So हो जाएगा 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12, 2s are 24, 2s are 48. And the last D, 9, 45. So 3 and 15, 1 and 5, 1, 1. So LCM हो जाएगा हमारे पास least common multiple is 3 into 3 into 5. So 5 3s are 15, 3s are 45. So like what do you observe in the results obtained? So here LCM is 20 and the two numbers 5 and 50. Larger number is 20. LCM is 18 and larger number is 18. LCM is 48, larger number is 48. LCM is 45 and larger number is 45. So hence in each case the LCM of given number is the larger number. So when a number is factor of another number, then their LCM will be the larger number. Thank you.